This is the Getcell C6 China mobile phone. It's original from China. It's available here in Philippines. My brother and I bought this one past 2 months ago. So here's the accessories and the mobile phones available. So we're going to browse the kit. Alright, so here it is. Here's the China mobile used, the C6, the headset, and this is the charger. So the charger is USB portable. Here it is used to plug in a computer. Here's the manual. You better read the manual carefully because there's some restore factory setting here that you might be have some trouble. Okay, this was the free headset that was given. So let's start in the get manual. Okay, this is the Nokia C6 China mobile. Here are the headset, the USB port. It's 5 megapixel, but actually it's 1.3 megapixel only. But in some other source, it's like the replica kind, original of the C6. Here's the speaker. So far, it was used already. Before we enter, let me introduce you. This is dual SIM anyway. Here's the SIM 1, the SIM 2. Here's the battery that we are using. It's original, and it doesn't low but actually easily. Here's the scan disk. It's also used in original phones. SD card, the micro card. So far, okay. Let's start. So here it is. Here's a way to keypad lock. If you want to keypad lock this, just press the end call. Just keypad lock. If you want to open, here. When you go to menu, here, click the middle button, and then it's easy. So here are the icons. We have here the organizer, which is the calendar icon, phone book. Actually the setup was alike of the original kind phone. So here's the games. This is supported from Java, so you can use anything here. You can install everything that are supported by Java. Here's the Java setting. So firstly, we have to know how to operate this one. So here's the settings. So we have here during set. During set is not available here in Philippines. If you do this one, it will just like China phone. So here's the dual SIM switch, dual SIM setting, pen calibration, phone setting. The phone setting is where we adjust the time and date, schedule, power on and off, the languages, preferred input methods that we're using when we write messages, and the display. Here's the wallpaper, screensaver, power on display and power off display. So the greeting text, you can put your words or anything, any text that you wanted, just edit here. Editing. So I put here my website. We're sorry if you can't read it. We'll have the little adjustment after this. So are the dedicated keys. So there's up, down, left, right. It's up to you if what do you want to edit. So just like go edit it. So here's the auto update time. So far about that. So let me introduce you here some icons in OV. There's a calculator. What's amazing about this is there's a health BMI. It's easily to adjust. So here we are. And then here's the file manager where we store any files that are supported by the phone. Only Java and other MRI. You see it. Okay. Phone. So the capacity of the phone is only 108. So we have a 104 KB free. So I'm using the capacity of the memory card to install. So here's the service, internet service. We can use this one if applying to internet settings and anything. The user profile gives you the identity or to determine or define your profile used. Either you want general, meeting, outdoor, indoor, headset, and Bluetooth. So just browse your phone if you buy this one. So here, after this, you can anyway do a reversed kind. What you only have to do is just click this one here, slide that one. It's amazing, right? So here's the keypads. I oftenly use this keypad because it amazes me. It's like a laptop. So when we write messages, I right click there. It's even more like the original, only that it can be slide like that. So menu, here's the menu anyway. Here's the number, writing the phone number. So we proceed to inboxes. You can click here in the middle, so like that. Anyway, here's the option. If you want to see the adjust the bars, you can just go to options there. You can see there everything. Okay. You can take a look in a eagle view, so it's not hard to see the brightness. So here's one of my applications that I install. Anyway, the Java file is called the JBlend. It was the Java file that was established or manufactured by the Java Microsoft as the lately. So it's the old version, but it can install any Java applications. Here's Opera Mini. There. It's good, no? So you can do manual setting. You can even minimize that, like just an S60 versions. You can minimize. Here's the image viewer, but before it, you have to close here in Java. So here's the image viewer where we can see the pictures like that. Okay, so much for that. Here's the video. In the toolbars you can adjust here. Just go to options and like that, and you can choose either what you want. Here's the video real player. Here's some video I have by Bruno Mars, my favorite song, the Lazy Song. You can even maximize that one. It's amazing. So far it's good. You can appreciate your cell phone, just browse and log onto it. So multimedia, the multimedia supports the camera, image viewer, video recorder, video player, audio player, sound recorder, and FM radio. The music online image album was not supported here. The extension was not available in the Philippines. So that's all for now. Anyway, the contacts, our names, it can be classified. There's a new version of it. Phone book setting, there's a preferred storage, SIM1, SIM2, phone all, and then there's a new vCard version 3.0. So it's amazing that you can use your cell phone. So anything you like, just you can put onto them, just accessorize it. And that's all. Thank you. We will have our part 2 next time. Thank you.